Front body line drill. The front body line drill is often used as an alignment drill for handstand training. Some people find it helpful and others question its use. I find it a valuable teaching tool and often use it with my clients. To perform this exercise, you will need a stick that you can grip with both hands roughly shoulder width apart. Start by lying down on your stomach. Push the inside edge of the feet together and straighten your legs. Next, set a posterior pelvic tilt (PPT) by tucking your tailbone between your legs. Try to suck your belly button in towards your spine to increase the pelvic tilt and create a flat lower back. If you can, lift your belly off the floor. Grip the stick with both hands and the arms straight. Elevate the shoulders by pushing the stick away from the body. You also want to twist your hands into the stick towards the pinky fingers as if you're trying to bend the stick. This will create external shoulder rotation and help to keep the elbows locked. You must maintain a hollow body shape. Lift the stick off the floor and create a straight horizontal line that passes through the ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, elbows and wrists. Do not allow the lower back to arch. If you struggle to keep the arms straight, you might like to take a wider grip on the stick. Keep the toes on the floor, keep the legs straight, and actively push the inside edge of the feet together. This will help you maintain the lower body tension and the posterior pelvic tilt. Hold the front body line drill for the prescribed time. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. Cheers.